Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. If you like my content or have any suggestions, please let me know, and by all means, make sure you share. The only way I can get my word out is you help me get the word out as well. Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves, and this is Reeves' Point of View. Surviving a bad legal decision. One of the toughest things that any attorney can do is take the time to explain to you a bad legal decision. Now, let me rephrase when I say a bad legal decision. What I call a bad legal decision is a decision that you receive that doesn't go the way you expected. It could be a motion hearing ruling where some evidence that you wanted coming in got thrown out. It could be a dismissal because you filed a case in court and they determined that there was no grounds for you to be there. Anytime you get a legal case where you have availing yourself the legal system, there's a potential that you're going to lose. And it's tougher because of that decision. So I often tell people a couple of things. First, you've got to remember that anytime you avail yourself of the legal process, there's a possibility you're going to lose. Everybody swears their case is the one that you can take to the Supreme Court, that you're going to ride this thing out. Everybody believes their case is that case. And the reality is that in most instances, your case is not that case. Your case is the garden variety case that comes before the court on a regular basis with some varying differences in the facts. So unfortunately, even though you believe you have some great arguments, the court may not see it that way. They may view the information in such a way where they don't believe what you're trying to get, you should be entitled to receive. So what does that mean to you? Well, if you have an attorney, a couple of things they're going to address with you. One, they're going to talk about options. What I mean by options, whether it's something that can be appealed, whether you could try a different avenue, whether you could try to refile it in a different way. Two, they can tell you that maybe it needs to be refiled at a later time when the circumstances are more greatly improved. Or the hardcore reality is that they gave it their best shot. You might want to think about finding another attorney to help you out, or even the hardest one to take. There's nothing more that can't be done. When you go into any legal case, any type of proceeding, whether it be administrative, criminal, or criminal is a little different because the bad situation in that is you could lose your life. So we're going to take those out of the equation. Any situation that you're in, you need to brace yourself for the reality that you might not get the outcome that you are looking for. As long as you have that mindset in the back of your mind, you can be fully cognizant of the reality that the circumstances that you think will happen may not happen the way you think. So keep in the back of your mind that anytime you have any type of legal case, there is a good possibility that you might not get the outcome you're looking for. So when you're asking the attorney about the case, ask what are the options if things go south. So this way you're not shocked and you're prepared for all possibilities.